welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. I'm going to start off by saying happy holidays, because it's November. And I'm also going to say, sorry I haven't made a video in well over 6 months. Been working 6 days a week and trying to catch up on a few other things here, there, and everywhere. Well, that's not what this video is about. If you've seen the thumbnail, you will see what this video is about. That's right. I just bought another Fiero. Does it mean I got a problem? Maybe. But the reason I bought this one was because it was a deal I just couldn't pass up. The kid bought this car. Well, actually, he traded the car for a four-wheeler. Came to me to get the deck lid off a Hondero, and I will leave the tag to that one in the corner. And then he was driving it. It's on the road, and the clutch decided to say bye. It's an 84 2M4, so I'm going to pick it up. Alright guys, pardon the wind noise here, but there it is. Got it strapped up. Needs taillights. Oh, that sounds familiar, doesn't it? I had the lens of that one, it's just inside the car so it doesn't fly off. This deck lid looks familiar. This is the deck lid off a Hondero. The guy knows that I got it and accidentally click, and the keys were in the trunk, so he had to get a new deck lid. Yeah, I mean, unfortunately, that's what happens. The hinges, as they always are bad, as you can kind of hear. So there's that lens right there. The only real blemish of the interior is the seat there and there. And this is broke here, which I could probably just fix with a washer. Take that cover off, put a washer on that, put the screw back in. I don't know how well you guys can see under there. Not very well here. Let's see. But as you can kind of see, the car is really clean under here. So on the road, off to meet its new family members of Cheapy and Cherry Blossom. Catch you guys there, and if anything happens, you'll see an update. Well guys, we made it back. Here it is. Check it out. So, there's a little bit of blemishes here. When he locked the keys in the trunk, got some damage here. Right there a little bit. And then over here, I really don't know what the heck would have happened here. But that's okay. I'll just replace this rear clip. I have one off of Hondero. The battery tray is somewhat intact here. I'll see what I can do about that. A little filthy in here, but not as bad as Cherry Blossom, which is right there. Little update for that one. Come on over, check it out. It's legal. Let me have the wifey explain.
So the reason why it's legal is this reason.
I think it's a little out of date.
Just a hair.
But, so as for the condition of this car, not a whole lot has changed, really. We've got 14-inch tires on it that are like brand new. We found on Marketplace. Thanks to my dad, he found them. Which is being a smart aleck in the background. So if you hear some things in the background, you'll understand why. But, headlight motors, haven't done too much with them. As for the interior, this is where it gets a little different. Come on over. So as for the interior, not a whole lot has changed, but 1/2 things. The seats. The reason that's like that down on the bottom is because only one of the headrest speakers work in this seat. But that's in a lot better shape than the other seats that were in here. And these are actually out of another 85. that we got out of a U-Pullet yard. The front speakers, the radio that we replaced, that I replaced the factory one with, the front left channel has died. So now it's in debation on get another factory radio or kind of upgrade it to another style radio. We'll get to that a little bit later, probably next spring. But as for the new one to the fleet, the deck lid does not stay up. Torsion bars are wore out. Taillights have got to get replaced. Clutch does not work. Hinges, like I mentioned earlier, are trash. The seat on the driver's side has that rip. But guys, it's all here. It's all original. Just under 65,000 miles on this car. So the wife and I got to talking. We're also debating on possibly just seeing what we could do to get her to be able to drive Cherry Blossom. If she can't, then this will be getting fixed and go up for trade or sale to try to get a automatic for her. So until then, guys, stay tuned. There'll be more coming. And again, I'm sorry I haven't made videos. I've been working 6 days a week, so it's kind of hard. And now that it is November, again, like I said, happy holidays. It's going to be a little slow on the channel because, as most of you know, I can't really do a whole lot during the winter. This one here, we're going to drop the engine. I'll do that on video. I'll drop the engine and replace the clutch. Other than that, guys, stay tuned. And until next time, happy holidays. Have a good one.